Hello everyone, in today's video I'll make a review about this Barcelona 2008-2009 Retro jersey, which has also this Final Roma special edition badge. But now let's start with the front of the jersey. At the time Barcelona had this UNICEF sponsor logo, which is heat pressed on the jersey, and the badge is embroidered as on a fan version jersey, and here you can see the special badge and the UNICEF logo, and here is also the Nike logo, which is again embroidered as on all fan version jerseys. Here on the neck of the jersey we have this anthem, El Can del Barça. This one is size L. Also you can see the letters, the lyrics of the song. And now let's go to the bottom of the jersey, where you can see this badge and the bottom of the jersey, which is really high quality. The material is Nike Fit technology embroidered into the jersey, and the soft material of this shirt. And this is how the front of the jersey looks like. And also I forgot to mention that this one is long sleeve, and as you can see this is how it looks like. But now let's go to the back of the jersey. It's customized with Iniesta 8 and the original font from that season, which is really high quality as you can see, and the Barcelona logo on the bottom of the number, and Iniesta again with the original letters from Barcelona from that season. As you can see, they are printed really well, they last a long time, and on the collar on the back again the Catalonia flag, and every detail, every little thing is made like on an original jersey, and this is why I really like my jerseys. And the UEFA Champions League badge without any number. At that time this was how they made the jerseys. So yeah, this would be all about the jersey, but I'll also show you that I only paid $8 for this order because I saved a lot. Also, lots of you asked me how long does shipping take, and here you can see that I ordered this on the 9th of February, and on the 13th they shipped it to me, and it took approximately 1 month to arrive, but this also depends on your location and the period of the year. So if you want to order and don't have an account yet, you can create one with my invitation link, and you will get $5 cash coupon and save a lot on your first order. So thank you, goodbye.